Trying to find the best mountain bike for a 12-year-old boy is a total minefield. You want something rugged enough for the trails, but safe enough to give you peace of mind. I actually went out and picked up the top-rated gear and bikes on the market to see what holds up and what's just cheap plastic. Here's what's actually worth your money. Product number 1, Bell Richter Youth Bike Helmet. The first thing I noticed when I pulled the Bell Richter out of the box was how light it felt, despite having that classic sturdy bucket shape. Usually these hard-shell helmets can feel like a bowling ball on a kid's head, but this one is surprisingly airy. When I was messing around with the adjustments, the True Fit system really stood out. You don't have to spend 20 minutes sliding plastic clips around. It's basically a one-step setup that actually stays snug. I'm a huge fan of the pinch guard on the buckle. If you've ever accidentally clipped your kid's neck skin while rushing to get out the door, you know how much of a day ruiner that is. This design completely prevents that. On the trail, the 16 vents did a solid job keeping things cool. Nobody wants a sweaty, itchy head 5 minutes into a ride. It fits heads from 54 to 58 centimeters, which is the sweet spot for most 12-year-olds. It's a no-nonsense, reliable helmet for parents who want a set-it-and-forget-it piece of safety gear that looks cool enough for a middle schooler to actually wear.
Product number 2, Youth Motocross Gloves. As soon as I slipped these gloves on, I could tell they weren't just for show. They've got a real pro feel to them. The grip on the palms is tacky enough to keep a solid hold on the handlebars, even if things get a bit muddy or sweaty. I noticed the stitching around the fingertips is reinforced, which is usually where cheap gloves start to fall apart after a few spills. They're surprisingly breathable too. I've seen kids rip off their gloves because their hands are baking, but the mesh on these lets a lot of air through. What I really like is the ergonomic fit. They aren't bulky or stiff, so moving fingers to grab the brake levers feels natural and quick. For a 12-year-old hitting dirt paths or even just doing some BMX tricks in the driveway, these provide that extra layer of skin protection you want. If your kid is the type to push their limits and maybe take a tumble or two, these are a total must-have to prevent those nasty palm scrapes. They're lightweight, tough, and honestly, they just make the whole riding experience feel a bit more official.
Product number 3, Royal Baby BMX Style Mountain Bike. When I was putting this bike together, the weight of the carbon steel frame really struck me. It feels incredibly solid, not like those flimsy bikes you find at big box stores. It came about 85% assembled, and it took me maybe 15 or 20 minutes to get the rest dialed in with the tools they provided. For a 12-year-old boy who's just starting to get adventurous, the 18-inch model is the way to go. The tires are nice and wide, which I found gave a lot of extra stability when riding over gravel or uneven grass. The braking system is pretty interesting. It uses a coaster brake, which is super intuitive for kids who might panic and forget how to use handbrakes in a tight spot. I also noticed the full chain guard. It's a small detail, but it keeps pants from getting snagged or greasy. It doesn't have a complex gear system to brake or get misaligned, which is a blessing if you aren't a bike mechanic. If you're looking for a durable, straightforward, first real mountain bike that can take a beating and keep rolling, this steel frame is built to last for years. Product number 4, Detachable Full Face Helmet Black Red. This thing is a total chameleon. When I first held it, I realized the entire chin bar pops off with just 2 buttons. It's brilliant because you get a full-face downhill helmet for the rough trails and a standard mountain bike helmet for casual neighborhood rides. The inner padding is much softer than I expected, and they even include an extra set of liners in the box. I love that because, let's be honest, kids' helmets get gross and smelly pretty fast, so being able to swap them out is huge. The in-mold construction makes it feel incredibly tough without being heavy. It's only about 14 ounces in full face mode. I adjusted the back dial, and it tightened up vertically and horizontally, which kept it from wobbling around during testing. If your kid is starting to get into more aggressive riding or hitting jumps, the extra jaw and neck protection here is a literal lifesaver. It's the perfect choice for a 12-year-old who wants that aggressive motocross look but still needs something lightweight enough for a long afternoon of pedaling. Product number 5, Detachable Full Face Helmet Blue-White. Since I also checked out the blue and white version of this 2-in-1 helmet, I wanted to see if the quality stayed consistent across different units. The PC shell and high-density foam are exactly what you want for shock absorption. Just like the other one, the chin bar is a breeze to remove.
I noticed that even with the face shield on, the airflow is great. There are plenty of gaps so they don't feel like they're suffocating inside a plastic box. It meets all the CPSC safety standards, which is the first thing I look for. The 20.25 to 22.05 inch adjustment range is perfect for that 12-year-old age group, giving them room to grow without the helmet feeling like it's swimming on their head. My favorite part is definitely the versatility. You're basically getting 2 helmets for the price of 1. If you're on a budget, but your kid is doing everything from skateboarding to trail riding, this is the smartest pick. It looks sharp, feels premium, and gives you that full wrap protection that a standard bike helmet just can't touch.